Hey everyone, this is Bob from epicaperture.com and this is an experimental video. We all know that SSDs can perform far better than conventional hard disk drives, and I have an old laptop here. It's dead, and it's been dead for at least 2 years now. I was actually going through some old stuff of mine and I saw this lying around and I had this idea. I was going to buy an SSD anyways for my other desktop to be used as a editing SSD or an editing drive. So I thought I'll buy it anyways, and before I install it in the desktop, I thought I'll try to revive or resurrect this laptop. So for this experiment, I have this Kingston A400 120 gigs of SSD here, and I also have a USB drive with Windows 10 Media Tool downloaded in it. I have another video where I show you guys how to download a free version of Windows 10 or create a media tool like I did here, so that you can plug it into another Windows system and you can like boot it up like that. So we have this, and I also have a little trusty screwdriver here. So what we're gonna do here is to flip this around here. I have removed the tray here to access the hard drive and RAM. We're not going to touch the RAM here because we don't have to. So what I'm going to do here is to remove these screws which is attached to the hard disk tray really quick here, so that we can get the hard drive out. Oh, before that I will remove the battery here so that we don't have any possibilities of short circuit or anything like that. So I'll pull this here to take it out of the body. All right, so I think I can now take this hard disk out. So the hard drive is out of the docking tray, and what I'm going to do now is to put this inside the tray. So I just want to figure out it's gonna go like that. All right, now I'm going to put this new Kingston SSD into the hard disk bay. And I'm going to just put one screw here, I guess, so that it doesn't come out. All right, I guess we are ready to go. I'll connect it to the power. And like I said, I have the bootable Windows 10 from this USB drive here. I'll just stick it in here. All right. Since the SSD is brand new, it's booting from the disk here right out of the box. The Windows installation setup came up, so I'm going to quickly do all the setup here and I'll come back talk to you. Alright, so the installation is done now, and I took the USB drive out of the computer, which was the media tool for Windows 10, and when I started it up again, it automatically detected the new hard drive. Alright guys, so I thought it's gonna take quite a while, so I stopped recording the cameras and it shut down everything for a while. But it just took only like 3 or 4 minutes, maybe 5. No, I think it's like less than 4 minutes, and this screen popped up. It's asking me to select the region, everything. So that means everything is installed. I'll set up the rest of the stuff it's asking me to do, and I'll come back talk to you. So yeah, I think everything is done. So we basically just resurrected or revived up an old laptop, and this new Kingston SSD A400 helped me to revive this laptop to life back again. So I hope this video helped you guys, and make sure you check the links in the description for the price for SSD I used, and I'll see you in next video. Bye.